Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
I bunkering happened at Abule Egba, Okoba as it. So I think this has been happening before the agency could discover that this illegal bunkering has been happening for so many, for 15 years ago. And as you can see, this is the hotel be using for the bunkering. According to the source, the truck, like they loaded 5 truck every night, and according to another source, the police officers moving around the streets with the siren to distract the attention of people to give information to the government. And I think you can see the pipeline come from the NNPC down. I think the pipeline is going to Ogun State, and these are look at the source in that place. This is the source, and when the truck park to that side, they will put an hose, and maybe they have an informant that they will call to open the line, so that they can be able to the pressure of the petrol, the PMS can move faster, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I think the 33,000 liters of a tanker has already been filled. And we can see this is a residential area, and the people cannot deny that are not be seeing them, that this is happening in the country for so many years. I think what the government should do is to bring agencies that hand over the pipe vandalizer onto them, the civil defense, to be parading every line of Nigeria oil, to give them, to empower them, so that they can restrict all these things, so that it will not happen in the Niger future again. When in the recession, this also is giving the problem to the country. When you are stopping a line that's supposed to go to another state, they won't get the minimum of the quantity of the liters they're supposed to get in the state. So I think in a day they're making like a truck is providing for them 4.6 million according to our calculation, because it's 33,000 liters, and I think PMS is 140 naira per liter. So when you multiply it, it's going to give you 4,600,000 plus. So each truck is given to them. When you look at the hose, so this is a pipe to the source. So this hose will go direct to the tank. Maybe they have 3 faces or 3 manifold on the tank for the tanker. So they will not open it and suck it. Another tankers will be waiting ahead. So immediately down full, another tanker will come in and pass through this backyard. To buzz out from that place to that destination. You can see the hotel. The hotel is not looking like a hotel that is functioning, that people are lodging there. I think they use this hotel for their dubious and the wicked arts.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe, because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there. So you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's exactly everything Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.